everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to do a black smoky eyes. Like this is very difficult like eye makeup, and as this is eye makeup tutorial, I have done my face and brows off camera. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. Not only for this eye makeup but also for every eye makeup, we should always use concealer, because it creates the base for the eyeshadow and helps to look the color more vibrant. So first I'm using my favorite concealer NYX. For my eyeshadow palette, I'm using my favorite palette, James Charles. So first I'm going to pat some black color over here. Just take it. And just dab on your eyelid. I'm going to apply this pink and this two browns color over here and just mix it. So now I'm taking this flat brush and I'm just going to here to create a sharp line. So here's your smoky eyes in just 2 minutes. Now I'm going to apply liner, my favorite liner, MAC. Just I don't care. So now I'm going to put some mascara, false lashes, and I'll be back. So this is my complete look. Hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope this video is helpful for everyone. And what should I do in my next video? Let me know. Comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. Thank you guys.